Welcome to the first day of our Baking Fun release intro.
All the new products you'll see today and over the next 2 days will be available March 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
This month, we're excited to share a release full of baking icons, sweet birthdays, and wistful fun.
We've grouped this release into 3 parts.
Baking Fun featuring baking theme stencils for both Postage Collage and Nesting Postage Collage, plus coordinating icon dies to help you create sweet little scenes, rounding it out with playful sentiments and word dies.
Picnic Time features a cake add-on for our table runner set, a focal cake Die-n-stencil, and a mix of cheerful backgrounds and sentiments, perfect for birthdays, gatherings, and sweet celebrations.
And Just the Mittens Die-n-stencil set featuring highly customizable mitten dies pair with punny sentiments and layer dies for extra dimension and charm.
There's so much to explore in this release. Let's take a look at the Postage Collage Baking Fun stencil, piped letters stamp set, and the icons die.
Here's a treat for our bakers and card makers. The Postage Collage Baking Fun stencil is filled with sweet scenes.
We've got a mixer, cake, oven, cookies, and even a pie, all designed to work with your Postage Collage die or blocks die.
The stencil includes the backgrounds too, so you can start with just a white panel and have fun blending in the colors.
The white areas in the final results are the base cardstock showing through.
Designed to coordinate with the Postage Collage Baking Fun stencil, many of the sentiments are sized to fit right on the stenciled cake.
With playful greetings like Make-A-Wish and It's Your Day, this set is great for customizing your scenes even more.
Try using glitter paste over the detailed layers to add a fun touch of shine.
You can use the whole 6-panel design or trim out your favorites to use on their own.
It's a fun way to share a little handmade joy, one sweet stamp at a time.
You've probably spotted all of the cute baking icons on our design team cards. They're all made with the new Baking Fun die.
The Baking Fun die includes all the bits and pieces to create a full baking scene.
You'll find mixers, piping bags, rolling pins, spatulas, bowls, baking ingredients, and more.
All like our icon die sets, the pieces are kept simple for easy layering.
Just follow the assembly guide to put everything together.
Cut from colored cardstock or ink blend for shading. Either way, it's a recipe for fun.
Use the icons with our Postage Collage base dies and stencils, or let them shine as the main focal point.
Soft colors give a cozy feel, while bold ones bring out the cheer.
Great for birthdays, thank you cards, or sweet notes for your favorite baking buddies.
Of course, we didn't forget about our big card fans. The NPC system got a fresh new Baking Fun stencil, ready to whip up something sweet in any size.
The NPC Baking Fun stencil features a sweet baking scene with strawberry cake and cupcakes.
Use it with the Nesting Postage Collage die or the Nesting Postage Collage blocks die.
Start with the background, then build the mixer and muffin pan using the 3 stencil layers on the large rectangle.
The strawberry cake sits on the circular shape with the background layer, 2 cake layers, and 3 layers for strawberries.
The small rectangle gives you 4 strawberries that you can use as accents or to dress up a sentiment strip.
You can also use die cuts from the NPC blocks die or trim your paper to size. Stack them on the postage edge panel for extra contrast.
Like all of our NPC sets, these sweet designs work beautifully on all your favorite card sizes.
Talking about bigger card sizes, our popular piercing panel is now available in A7 size.
The A7 piercing texture die gives you that dainty stitched look with gridded piercing dots, just like our A2 piercing panel die.
But this A7 version has the dots spaced further apart. Think of it like the difference between 14 count and 10 count Aida fabric.
And unlike the A2 version, there's no outer cutting edge either, so you're not locked into a specific paper size.
You can die cut first and trim down, or start with a 5x7 panel and run it through for a perfect centered texture. Then just follow the embossed lines to trim off the extra.
It pairs beautifully with our embroidery hoops dies and stitchable shapes, great for subtle backgrounds or adding texture to other die cuts.
If you're not quite ready to dive into our full Postage collage collection, the small Postage die-n-stencil is a fun way to dip your toe into the waffle flower coordinating dies and stencils.
The Postage Cake Slice Die-n-stencil features a unique oval-shaped postage stamp with a layering stencil, making coloring easy and fun.
Try adding glitter paste to some of the openings for extra sparkle.
Make a few to build your own collage or mix them in with other designs from the Postage Collage collection.
For a limited time starting on March 5th, when you spend $75 or more on our March release, you can claim this set for free. Before we go, we'd like to share some playful puns and cheerful greetings designed for these baking fun products.
This die cuts an elegant sweet front phrase in one piece.
Looks beautiful when cut from metallic cardstock and backed with the shadow layer cut from vellum.
The Bake Me Happy word die brings a sprinkle of joy to your cards.
This playful phrase is great for food-themed products or sending a little cheer to someone special.
Layer it with colorful cardstock or keep it simple for a sweet finishing touch. And if you're looking for quick greetings to pop onto your cards, the Subsentiments Baking Fun die cut sheet is full of playful strips ready to go.
Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of today's baking fun favorites.
We start with the Postage Collage Baking Fun stencil and piped letter stamp set, which make it easy to build sweet baking scenes with mixers, cakes, and cozy kitchen details right inside the Postage Collage windows.
Next, we shared the Baking Fun die, packed with all the baking icons you need: mixers, bowls, tools, and treats that work beautifully with the Postage Collage designs or as standalone focal points.
For larger card sizes, we introduced the NPC Baking Fun stencil, featuring strawberry cakes, cupcakes, and extra accents that shine on A6 and A7 cards.
We also took a look at the new A7 piercing texture die, which brings stitched pierced look to bigger projects with lots of flexibility for trimming and layering.
As a special bonus, we shared the Postage Cake Slice Die-n-stencil, our March gift with purchase, a fun and easy way to try the Postage Collage style in a smaller format.
And to finish things off, we introduced the Sweet Friend and Bake Me Happy word dies, along with the Subsentiment Baking Fun die cut, giving you quick, cheerful ways to add perfect words to your baking-themed cards.
For a chance to win today's giveaway, like this video and let us know in the comments which product from this intro you would choose if you win today's $50 gift certificate. All details are in the video description below.
All new products you see in today's video and over the next 2 days will be available on March 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
Don't forget to check out our Instagram account for more chances to win.
Tomorrow is all about picnic time. See you then!